we decided to do a back-to-back cruise this time, and this is the first half that we are doing on the MSC Divina. Okay, we have finally made it past security, which wasn't too bad. It was about I would say about maybe 10 to 15 minutes. And we're now boarding the ship. They do give you your ID cards or your sailor sign cards during the process of security. So we were able to walk onto the ship with our room cards. Getting on the ship is pretty much the same as any other ship. This is our first time on MSC, so we've never really seen it before. Now we're trying to find our rooms. Now this took me about 20 minutes, but we finally got here. Other way. No. Take it out. Take it out. All right. Now with this one, we did book the guaranteed version, which is Bella, and then I bid for upgrade for Aurea. So this is the Aurea, which it does come with champagne and chocolates, which you heard my daughter complain about that I got a gift for me. So the Aurea does give you a better selection of rooms.
Navigate these shower doors.
But this is nice. What do you think?
I like it.
You like it? Mm-hmm. I like it too. And there is a little treat for Mommy.
But what's this?
Those are chocolates.
And there's a treat for me too.
Yes.
I'm gonna eat them.
Let's go out here to the balcony. Okay. This is a little different. Okay, so it's open. Oh. We have our 2 chairs and the table. And a view of the Port of Miami. This is a pretty nice size balcony. Just for us. I see the boat.
You want some chocolate?
No, not yet. Don't open them yet. Let's go back in here and finish looking at the room. Okay, so I don't know if they are finished with the room yet. But here's our TV.
Why is it so small?
The desk area.
This one's
You
small.
have the fridge, which is not stocked.
This bed's mine.
Okay. I don't think they are done in here. But here is the electrical outlets. And this is our room. I'm guessing you like it.
This is my bed.
So far my first impressions of the MSC Divina is I really like it. The room is a nice, we are used to Carnival, so this is a different type of experience for us. The room definitely does look a tad bit more European.
Thanks.
And I was able to do the status match. So even though this is my first time on MSC, we did the status match. So I am gold, which is how they gave us, not gold, I'm sorry. I'm gold with Carnival. So the status match for MSC is silver, which is how I got the welcome treat in the room of the nice, and it's chilled. The Prosecco is chilled. We also have some chocolate, which Rain has already opened, but she's not about to eat. So it's 5 of us. It's, of course, me and Jay, and then we have 3 of the kids. And we have separate rooms on separate floors because this was a last minute booking. We booked the Bella experience, and then we did the upgrade, the bid upgrade to the Aurea balcony. And it's supposed to give you a better room location. It took us a while to find the room, which you all probably have already seen, but I have to admit that the view I'm liking. I'm really liking the balcony. This is a very nice size balcony. What we're going to do now is go trying to find the husband and the boys and walk around the ship. So let's go. Right, Rain?
Wait, flip the camera. Yes, but we gotta find the suitcases, and then I'm gonna change it. Then we're gonna walk around the ship.
All right.
Because I don't want to wear jeans. And
Oh,
this.
but Uncle Tori gave us such nice shirts. Look at this. It says Cruising in 2023, and it's a surprise. Turn around. Oh,
What does it say?
Cruising Hall family. Can't wait to get the
And
picture.
it's my birthday coming up.
Yay!
Oh, there she is.
Yes, and I'm doing a video of your room because yours looks different than mine. So this is a room for 3. King size bed.
I thought that was cool.
And they make the sofa out to a full size, so you can get max 4 people in here.
Maximum.
And let me see, how does the balcony look? Excuse me.
It looks exactly like yours.
You know what? Yours is a tad bit more narrow than mine, but this is still a really nice size balcony. What's your desk? Your television?
Please familiarize yourself with safety procedures on the back of your cabin.
Your outlets? This cruise does not have USB ports, right? Have you found any?
On behalf of the captain, officers, staff, and crew of MSC, we wish you a
They're normally on the light stand, but I don't see any. It gives you a really nice mirror. Let's see closet space. Well, let me see what you were saying. Oh, so you don't have the full closet like mine.
No.
Where 2 of the doors open up to 1.
Right.
Ooh, you were right. And then your drawer space with your safe and your life vest and your shelving units. Some more life vests because it's 3 people in here. Let's see. Let's see if they have a light on the bathroom. Yes. It's the shower. Some more shelving units in the bathroom. They give you 2 cups. I like the fact that they have a soap dispenser. That I really like. And the little trick with these bathrooms that I learned from watching other YouTubers, because my husband said that there was no space for him to sit down on the tub. He was banging his arms up against the shower door. So if you open the first one and you push this one in, that's how you get your space. Here's your towels. And then, of course, you got your hanging rack. And then your two hanging racks on the back of the door. Hey, so far, what do you think? Because this is your first MSC cruise. All you've ever been on is Carnival. What do you think about it so far?
It just seems a lot like Carnival. The only thing that I really don't like is just like the queue for the elevator, but that's it. Nothing else is that bad. It's like really good. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, in MSC's defense, he's only been on Carnival cruises during the pandemic when they had 50% capacity. So, he is extremely used to always getting elevator service extremely quickly. This cruise, I think, is basically all, if it's not 100%, then it's maybe 80. There's a lot of people on this cruise. So we have not been able to really catch the elevator, so we've been walking up and down the stairs a lot. But in their defense, it's a lot of people on here. All right, give me your review.
So I don't really like the stairs because it has like a gap in between it. And I don't really like the elevators in it because it makes my head feel wobbly.
Why does it make your hair feel wobbly?
Oh, no, because every time we go down and up, it feels weird.
Okay.
And I really like the food. You should come to this cruise. It has ice cream. But the ice cream machine broke down, and they didn't have more. But they have good cheesecake, and good pizza, and good hot dogs, and good french fries. So you should eat the food, and you should come to
MSC.
MSC Cruise.
I don't think you have to go outside either. But since oh yeah, this cruise ship is huge. This is the biggest one we've been on so far. And I've never been this close to what are these?
The lifeboat.
The lifeboats. And they left us. After walking around for a few, we finally found the bowling alley, which is kind of it's 2 for 1 because it's in a bar. We did buy the pass, so the kids and we were able to do unlimited bowling. These are the only 2 lanes, so it's not like an actual bowling alley, but this is pretty nice to be able to actually bowl on a cruise ship. They had a wonderful time doing it. I don't know how many times we came in here just to do this. But like I said, it's a bar in here. We were able to get some drinks. There are plenty of seats. They also had some sports things going up, as you can see on the TV right here. So my husband was able to watch football while the kids sat here and bowled. Of course, we had to get this part because we're normally on a Carnival ship. This was hilarious to us. Now, this was our first time actually leaving the port of Miami at night. So we left at about 7 p.m. So we've never had this view before, and it was beautiful. We loved the late departure.